Blessings everyone. I hope everyone is feeling blessed. Today I went and I promised you guys a part 2 interview with Alex, our young St. Catherine pepper farmer, and I went and did that interview. Today we'll be looking at his nursery that we looked at the other day. We'll be looking at the progress, and also we'll be taking a look at his farm animals. Yes, farm animals. Alex invests in farm animals also. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the interview. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my uploads.
So Alex, you're on it again, man.
Hard work, you see it. Hard
True.
work. What to do, man, what to do.
For real, man.
You see it?
But how many land you have down here, one?
About 1.5 acre.
So the whole of down here so never in a bush and all them things that people don't watch. The place did not bush, you know, one is like a little forest this way, you know, where chop down and get smooth, you know, turn farmland, you know.
It's like a woodland it there, sir.
They say it was a woodland.
A woodland. It's like over the side, look.
Where that?
Back, sir. It's like a woodland.
People may zoom in, I couldn't see it.
It's a woodland in there, sir. Pure woodland.
True.
We get manpower, cut it down, clean it up and all these things.
So, may I ask you, before you start farm and thing, you get help from people to cut down the thing or you have to pay them and all them things there?
Basically, I have to do most of it myself.
True.
And then we get help for like dig the road them.
Yeah.
I run the drip line them because
Okay, that are the drip line them.
these things, yeah. Because you alone can't run them.
Okay, so the drip line. Oh, the drip line basically water the plant them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Save me a lot of time to get the plants them water. Instead of walk when I water them,
Yeah.
the drip line now is water the entire field.
Okay. And people, I tell you say a whole heap of drip line run through the farm. I see the thing them for true and I think a current running the thing them you know. But as a farmer say water is it? So I notice you have a neighbor farmer nearby, come here a sprinkler run over there so. You have other farmers close by?
Yeah man, I'm a virgin farm that.
Okay,
Farm
okay.
like callaloo, okra, tomato, pop char, lettuce and pepper as well.
Okay. So the nursery, what would I look on the other day? John would I want to see that now? How it look now?
Basically, you know, it grow fast, you know?
Grow fast?
Super fast.
Alright, as soon as you reach up there, so I want to look on the nursery again, you know.
Yeah man, you can get that
Alright.
super fast growing them sitting there.
Okay. Yeah man, and you know say my kind of persons that ask why you know use gloves when you mix your chemical them.
Oh, the gloves them.
Yeah.
Basically,
Because you know you have to set the example for young farmers because maybe somebody who are 12 or 13 want to try farming or know so they use them gloves, you know.
actually the gloves ended down, I'm going to back for and come back.
Okay.
But me use the gloves them all right, but the spray now,
Yeah.
I put on my mask and all them something there.
Okay, you have your safety equipment.
Yeah man, everything.
Alright.
Everything. Basically you can say you can see the plants and start beer at the moment. So this is the first bearing of the crop. The crop not really start beer fully yet.
Okay.
These are the first bearing.
Pepper the pretty one. Oh,
So
so you mean the
fertilize
first
now.
bearing after you reap, you can reap again off of the same tree?
Yeah, we can get up to about 5 bearing, 5 crop off of one tree.
Okay.
The second and the third crop, you can pick about pound and a half,
Wow.
1 pound off of one tree.
Wow.
Basically, the fertilizer program what we use,
Mhm.
basically is through the drip irrigation system.
Okay.
Use it through the drip irrigation system. So, we now have to go around and I fertilize the entire field by hand.
True.
Mix the fertilizer to the ratio and put it in the big drum. You have a big drum right up there. I'm going to put it to.
Okay.
and then we gravity feed it straight to the line them.
Oh, so you actually give them the fertilizer through the drip line.
Through the drip line.
People don't hear that though. And Alex, me notice you always a par with your security them. How much of them you have?
Basically I have about 7 of them.
7 of them?
7 of them.
Whoa. What if that
I have an extra eye in the field some of the time.
True.
Extra eye cause them protect the field most of the time.
Okay, so you have problem with like persons, intruders will come in and pick up pepper and all of them things?
I can't know.
Okay.
Somebody tell us a one man want a one pepper and just pick it, sir.
Okay.
But they're minor.
Okay, I understand. So Alex, them pepper, how old are these peppers? Because it seems like
they want 2 months and a half.
2 months and a half.
Yeah. 2
And
months and a half. From
them
nursery,
yeah.
no, 2 months and a half.
And them have so much pepper on the tree?
Yeah, them start bearing at 3 months time.
Okay.
But it seems like I get an earlier crop before.
Oh,
Because
okay.
fertilizer management I'm under, it does show a good sign.
Alright, so was it an experimental thing with the fertilizer that you're using? Was the first time using that fertilizer?
No, it's not one fertilizer basically. It's more than one fertilizer.
Okay.
Some fertilizer every 2 weeks you get a different type of nutrients.
True.
Build up the nutrients level of the soil. So before them start beer ready.
So one question, Alex. The dog them not hurt the plant them?
No, them train not to destroy the plant them.
Oh, okay.
Them not feasting on the field and them not playing on the field either.
Okay. Alright, come go and walk go for the nursery then. Let's say another Jamaica. This morning I wonder why you have 2 very big drum in the farm. 2 big drum like this. You know?
One of the fertilizer.
This one of the fertilizer.
Yeah.
People is a big drum
one,
this, you know.
And the other one of water, plain water.
Okay.
So mix fertilizer and pump it in this drum.
Okay, and this connect to the drip lines.
To the drip line.
People, you notice that? All connected to the drip lines. Yeah, so Alex, I realize on them drip line you have some little lock off thing, some little on and off, turn off thing. What them here do really?
Them here, this, wait though. We monitor the water flow in the field. So more water like half of the field. We lock off most of them here go across.
Okay.
You see? And water half of the field.
Okay.
That's what they meant for.
Alright. So them lock off head upon every one of them drip line here?
Every one of them.
So you made these or they came like this?
They came like this.
Okay. Jano, you're very innovative in you. Very innovative. Okay peeps, we're inside of a nursery. So Alex set up him thing, is it? You remember these plants you see the other day? They have really grown. So why you put them under there?
Huh?
Why you put those underneath the shelf?
Oh, these?
Yeah.
Show the top of the nursery, the water, and rainfall, the beat, and dig out the seeds, the young seeds.
Okay.
The young germination seed them. You dig them out. Some of them you put them underneath the one that germinate already.
Okay.
Because the rainwater can't beat these out.
Oh, I understand. Yeah, so Alex, you say you do seedling for other persons too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pepper,
Wow, them
onion,
pepper they pretty
tomato,
though.
color, anything.
Okay.
Anything with greenhouse.
Yeah.
So, anything.
Alright. So we say next week we can take a look at the animals.
Yeah, of course.
Alright. How much pig you have, Alex?
You have around 50, but I sell out most of them now.
Alright.
So I'm going down to about like 15.
You have focus more upon the pepper.
Yeah.
Alright, I understand.
Guys, I did not get a chance to look at all the animals because, as you know, I use my phone to make my videos, so I had low memory storage at the moment doing this. So I just decided to give you guys a quick review at what we'll be doing next week, or anytime we do the other part of the interview, which should be the final part. Okay, so these are the animals, guys.
So people, until then, next week, this is Alex and Alex closing off saying bless.